This is how you reset the home screen layout on your iPhone really easily. You might want to do this because over time, there might be stuff you add to your home screen that you don't want to have anymore, like this big widget here, this little widget here. I've got a bunch of widgets. Let's see over here. And you want that all reset, even folders. You want that all reset to just stock so you can start fresh and create something you like from scratch. This is how you do it. Tap into settings. Scroll down until you get the general. Scroll down until you get to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. And now right here, tap on reset home screen layout. I'm not going to tap on that because I kind of like my layout for my home screen. But for you, tap on that. And it's going to reset your home screen back to how it was when you first got your phone. And you can start customizing it from scratch. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. I know it sounds weird. You probably have never done it before, but it's important that you do it. So check out that video and I'll see you there.